Project 5 Task 1. Create a new recipient list with the names Hideki Tomo and Ginger White. Save the list to the Geometrics Templates folder as supporters. Create a new recipient list with the names Hideki Tomo and Ginger White. Save the list to the Geometrics Templates folder as supporters. Okay, to do this, just click on the mailings tab, and in the Start Mail Merge group, you select the drop down arrow next to recipients. Select recipients. Right here, then you select type a new list. So right here, you enter the first name here. On the first name, you type the key. Then for the last name, you type Tomo. Okay. And new entry. Select new entry. And for the first name, you type Ginger. Then for the last name, you type White. Okay. That is done. So you click OK. So now in the file name box, you type supporters. Okay. And save to the Geometrics Templates folder and click Save. Okay, that is done. So task 1 mark completed. Now task 2. Save the header as a quick path named Lion's letter head. Save it into the built-in headers gallery. Accepts all other defaults. Save the header as a quick path named Lion's letter head. Save it into the built-in headers gallery. Accept all other defaults. Okay, to do this, you just click on the header to select it. Then you select the headers. So now you go to the Insert tab in the text group. You select the quick path, then save selection to quick path gallery. Save selection to quick path gallery. Select that. Then for the name, named Lion's letter head. So here you type Lions letter head. Okay, Lion's letter head. Then as quick path, the gallery as quick path. Then category, just leave it as it is. So gallery built in, save it into the headers galleries. Okay, here you select headers, save it into the headers gallery. So you select header here, then Lion's letter head, and accept all other defaults. So we click OK here. Okay, so you can click on the header and footer tab, contextual tab here, and close header and footer. Okay, that is done. Task 2 mark complete. Now task 3. Edit the macro named important by removing the step that italicizes text. Save your change. Edit the macro named important by removing the step that italicizes text. Save your change. Okay, to do this, just click on the View tab. Then in the macros group, you select the drop down next to macros. Then you select View macros. Okay, so edit the macro named important. Now you select important, so you select edit. Okay, so by removing the step that italicizes text, okay, right here, you select this part, selection font italic. Okay, then you just delete that. Okay, then you go to the file tab and click save. Okay, that is done. Then task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Okay, so just close this and close this as well. Now task 4. Edit the date picker control to display the date in the format DDDD MMMM, then DYYYY. Lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Edit the date picker control to display the date in the format DDDD MMMM, the day, the month, and day and year. YYYY. Lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Okay, so to do this, just locate the click to select a date. Okay, so this is the date picker. Now here, you to edit this, just go to the developer tab. Developer tab is not here, so we have to just bring it up. So just click on the file tab, the options, select options here, then select customize ribbon, and you just select the developer box here. Just select the box next to developer tab. So now let's dock this to the top so you can see the OK button. That is done. You can dock it back to the bottom. So lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. So here we go to the developer tab, then in the controls group, so you select properties. Okay, select property, edit the date picker control to display the date in the format. Okay, in this format, then lock the content control so it cannot be deleted. Okay, so here under the locking, content control cannot be deleted, just select the box that is next to it. Okay, now right here you select this, the date format that tallies with this, the given here. Okay, now select the C. No, select this. Okay, compare this with that. Okay, that is done. Okay, you need to dock this to the top to be able to see the control. Okay, so you just select OK. Let OK. Okay, that is done. That is done. Now task 4 mark completed. And task 5, create a custom color set named Lions Soccer based on the current theme colors except change accent 2 to red. Create a custom color set named Lions Soccer based on the current theme colors except change accent 2 to red. Okay, to do this, just select the design tab, then in the document formatting group you select color, custom color, select color, then right there you select customize colors, then accent 2 to red, select accent 2, then under the standard colors select red. Okay, named Lion Soccer. Okay, here named Lion Soccer, Lions space soccer. Okay, that is done. That is done, and click save. Okay, that is also task 5, mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct.